What's up, viewers? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of car enthusiasts. Today we are at MG Saini, guys. We have the ZS EV in front of us. We're going to be covering this car today. This is the key of this vehicle. This is an all-new showroom of Saini MG located in VIP Road, Kolkata, and there are various offers going on. If you're interested in an MG vehicle, you can definitely check this showroom out. This particular car, the MG ZS EV, has certain offers going on for itself right now. So 50,000 exchange bonus, 15,000 in corporate offers, and 20,000 rupees in loyalty bonus, guys. So if you're interested in an EV vehicle, especially an MG EV vehicle, or if you're interested in the ZS EV specifically, great offers are going on in this vehicle, and you can definitely come at Saini MG and check it out. Without any delay, let's get started with this video right away. So guys, this is the MG ZS EV in front of us. We are at Saini MG Kolkata. If you're planning on buying an MG vehicle, do come to Saini MG Kolkata and book your car right away. It's that easy. So guys, we are going to be getting started with this particular vehicle. So let's get started with the video straight away, guys. Let's get started with the walk around straight away. You get DRL setup over here. ये crystal DRL setup से you get projector LEDs. Of course, इसमें fog lamps नहीं आते. Air curtains आते, which are functional. And you get the MG logo over here. This is your charging outlet, as you can see, it's right in the front. This over here is your grille present, as you guys can see. This is some silver element on the bumper, glossy black element as well, so dual tone kind of finish. This is the same MG evergreen color, guys, and I'm not sure if my mic is working or not because background noise बहुत ही ज़्यादा है. So let's hope it is working. And you can see body line running from here, going all the way to the rear. These are 17-inch alloy wheels with disc brakes in the front and rear. You get 215, 55, R17. That's your tire profile. These are very futuristic looking alloy wheels. Very aerodynamic. It will cut through the air. This car turns 174 horsepower with 281 Newton meters of torque. This car comes only with sports mode. This car has 6 airbags and 5-star Euro NCAP. So safety, if it's a concern for you, you should not worry. This car is well packed with the right amount of safety features as well. So let's keep moving, guys. Your door handles are finished in chrome varnish going all the way, you can see. And pillars are finished in matte black. This is finished in glossy black, dual tone finish, and a panoramic sunroof. You get functional roof rails, which is a thumbs up. You get shark fin antenna present as well, finished in body color. And of course, talking about the rear wheel, you get disc brakes at the rear as well, which is of course expected because of the price point this car is being offered at. 25.58 lakhs is the on-road price of this car in Kolkata, guys. Alright, so coming to the rear, these are your tail lamps. Again, same crystal-like finished tail lamps, as you guys can see. Rear defogger, high mount stop lamp. You get your spoiler setup as well, and your wiper भी present है यहाँ पे. Parking camera की बात करें तो you can see the parking camera present over here. You get 1 parking sensor, 2 parking sensors, any other 3 parking sensors in total. Your rear bumper is finished in the same dual tone glossy black and silver finish. ये diffuser treatment है, of course. यहाँ पे थोड़ा sportiness देने के लिए. This is the MG logo. Opening the boot. 448 liters of boot space, guys. The boot is pretty big. It's 60-40 split. Boot lamp भी present है यहाँ पे. कोई hook treatment मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. But it's a pretty spacious boot. Guys, best part is you get a full size alloy. उन्होंने अभी box holes हटा दिया तो मेरे को मौका मिल गया तो I thought I'd show it to you. You get a full size alloy with this, 17 inches, which is pretty neat. So there's no cross cutting being done over here. You get some net treatment over there and over here as well. So let's now close the boot. Up 60-40 split clearly visible. Let's close this. और ये जो MG का your the boot, it opens like Volkswagen Polo style. If you remember how the Polo boot used to open, you just push this in and the boot opens. Which is pretty great. ZS EV badging is also present. EV badging is finished in blue. And this is how it looks from the rear. Let me know your thoughts, guys, about the design of the MG ZS EV. Now coming on the driver's side, same story here. Door handles are finished in chrome treatment running from here all the way in the front. You get blind spot monitoring camera, of course, on both the sides. Turn indicators on the ORVM. इसमें आपको basically 360-degree camera मिलता है, which we will go inside and explore. In the front, basically, here it is. I don't know if you guys can see. my finger. यहाँ भी CCTV कैमरा है, यहाँ towing hook है. The way it is parked, it is slightly difficult to show you everything. So please understand. And this is what it is so far from the exterior of the vehicle. Let me know your thoughts, guys. What do you guys think? How the design of this car is for you? I don't think there are a lot many changes in this car. It is just another variant. And this is your aero twin wiper setup also present, which is neat. Aero twin wipers at this price point are definitely expected, guys. आपको कैसी लगी गाड़ी? Do let me know your thoughts. And without any delay, let's get inside and explore what do you have in the interiors of the MG ZS EV Evergreen Edition. So guys, we are entering the MG, all new MG ZS EV, the Evergreen Edition, guys. Let's get inside. But before we get inside, let's explore the driver functions. We've got auto windows for all the 4 windows. We've got window lock and unlocking function, door lock and unlock function as well. This is your door handle storage. Door storage looks big enough. Speaker setup is present over here. And you get electrically adjustable seats, as you can see, for forward and backward and upward and downward. This is your red accent stitching present on the seats. Seats look really comfortable and very premium, guys. Leather seats, of course. Let's get inside. One more thing I forgot to show you. You get your MG 100-year edition badging on the seats, on the headrest as well. So now we're going to get inside this premium vehicle. And यहाँ पे भी आपको stitching देखने को मिल रहा है. As you guys can see, soft touch is present over here, present on the elbow support as well, red stitching going. So let's close this door. It's really loud outside because of the music and the function and everything. So we are inside the car now. So let's explore the steering wheel. So you get this leather wrap steering wheel, nice sporty looking steering wheel with a flat bottom. You get a red stitching all over, guys, on the steering wheel as well to make it more sportier. You get the MG logo in between the steering, finished in chrome and black. Chrome border is present as well. You get your track functions on the left side, your voice command functions on the right side, guys. And let's do a soft start of the vehicle. You get the push start stop button present on the left. And we're going to start once again. And
glad to see you again.
Yes, same here, MG.
Multiple tire abnormalities. Do you want to check at the service center?
So guys, you can see that the tire pressure monitoring system has been activated because there is a lack of air in certain tires. So anyway, let's keep exploring. The digital portion is only this big. These are not part of the digital screen in the middle, okay, but they are digital as well. The speedometer and the power battery percentage also, you can see it's at 0, guys. You get red stitching present over here. This looks like a turbine. हमने Hyundai Grand i10 Neos को cover किया था. I'm not comparing that car, of course, with this car, but उसका भी design आप देखो, AC vent का is the same. It's a turbine का design, and you don't get turbo in this. It's an all electric vehicle. You get glossy black finish over here, soft touch all over, which feels very premium, guys. पूरा soft touch है, which is very nice. Auto dimming IRVM. Core driver side sun visor has vanity mirror, no light function. Ticket holder, no. Vanity mirror on the driver's side as well. Panoramic sunroof, which is massive. ये आप देख रहे हो. So that's pretty neat. The sunroof का cover is opening. As you can see, sunroof is massive. This is a 10-inch touchscreen, guys, and this comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is wireless. You get your USB-C, USB-A, and this is something which I am not sure. Lighter का ये option है आपके पास. So 2 charging sockets over here, wireless charging pad over here. You get your mode. Battery percentage या 94% दिखा रहा है, as you guys can see. So that is one thing. And this is battery का display. So 393 kilometers का range it is showing. And the infotainment screen, charging station and CO2 saved कितना वो भी दिखा रहा है. Start charging and everything. Request timed out, okay. Charging station, I think it will show the distances between the charging station and here, of course, how many charging stations are available, and of course how much CO2 you have saved. This is your AC function within the infotainment system, so you can switch on and switch off the AC from here. So यहाँ पे आप switch off कर सकते हो, and MG 100 भी लिखा है यहाँ पे, which is a nice attention to detail because this is the 100-year edition, which is pretty neat. This is your home screen. You get FM, date and time, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, battery percentage, range, and everything is mentioned. Just to lock your screen. This is your music function. This is your, of course, AC function. ये भी AC का है. and this is I think express cool type करके कुछ option है. This is your 360-degree camera, which is decent enough. You got different views. You can select from here, and you can park your car accordingly. Full view भी है, half view भी है. यहाँ का आपका full view है, sides का 2D view भी है. Okay, this was a 2D view which we were seeing. This is a 3D view. Of course, you get settings में can turn on static guidelines, dynamic, or both, or switch it off altogether. It is up to you. आपको पसंद है तो you can switch it on. If not, you can switch it off. So that was your 360-degree camera का function. Apps menu में जाए तो you get vehicle settings, device management, 360 EV, AC media, folder settings, BT phone, radio. If you want me to cover this infotainment system in detail, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. You get home function over here also. यहाँ पे भी आपको infotainment control करने का option है. यहाँ आप home दोगे तो home में चले जाओगे. This is for your volume. This is for your AC on and off. This is for your front defogger, rear defogger. This is for your blower function, and this is to increase and decrease the temperature, guys. Okay, so this is what it is. You get Mercedes style cup holder storage. ये trace ये ऐसे slide होता है, which is pretty neat. बहुत premium लग रहा है गाड़ी, guys. You get electronic parking brake function, auto start stop function. This I think this is a dummy button, and यहाँ कोई button ही नहीं है. Okay, ये आपका PRND का knob है. You can select and just go. Okay, this is your glove box, guys. Basic glove box. That's pretty much it. Decently sized and soft touch material बहुत use हुआ है doors पे भी. Seats are very comfortable, firm also. I think long journeys is not going to be a problem in this car because seat is the right amount of firm and the right amount of comfortable. बहुत ही premium seat feel है इसका. यहाँ पे भी you see this particular thing coming out, handle type है. It's covered with soft touch. This is also covered in soft touch with red stitching, as you guys can see. And armrest storage is also available. Armrest is of course not slidable. You don't need to slide it. It's pretty big. You can easily sit comfortably. It's a very premium vehicle, guys. बहुत ही ज़्यादा premium feel आ रहा है मेरे को इस गाड़ी में. So let's toggle the MID. Your brightness. This is your battery का कुछ details which is showing. Current journey, kilometers covered, kilometers per hour, average speed, of course. Then how much, what is the kilometer per kilowatt hour, the consumption, that is also visible. This is your tire pressure monitor, and I think that's it. Or niche jaye to you get accumulated total for the journey and current journey, and और कुछ भी नहीं दिखा रहा है इसमें, guys. So that's pretty much it, guys, in what you have in the MID. And anything else left to explore? I don't think there is much to explore except for this. You get your ORVM functions, your headlight adjuster, and yeah, that's it. And all the buttons have been explored on the steering and everything. All the storage options have been explored in the front. इतनी महंगी गाड़ी इसमें 3D मैट तो देना बनता है, guys. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. And that's about it, guys. We are going to go to the second row and see what is the comfort like over there. We are entering the rear space, and we're gonna close the door, and this is what it is. You get your twin cup holder storage on the armrest. Armrest looks pretty nice. 3 adjustable headrests, that is very good. You get your 3-point seat belt present as well. Isofix points also present on both sides. And seat pockets, 2 AC vents, USB and USB-C charging socket, 4 charging sockets in total with a wireless charging pad, massive panoramic sunroof. The rear passengers are going to love it. And if you're a fan of a panoramic sunroof and if you're a fan of an EV, I think you should definitely consider this car, guys, because it's बहुत premium लग रहा है. Just look at the dash. पूरा Mercedes वाला feel आ रहा है मेरे को, to be very honest. Speaker setup. You get soft touch on the door as well, and you get your elbow support. Maybe you get soft touch. Door handle storage is present. Storage over here is slightly smaller compared to what we have in the front, guys. And am I missing out on anything? I really don't think so. Leg space की बात करें, this is my knee room, which is pretty decent. Under thigh support could have been slightly better, and foot room is also pretty great, guys. So space के मामले में I don't think you're going to face any issue because this car is really wide also, and you got enough leg room as well for a person who's 6 feet tall and taller than me as well. 6'1", 6'2" wala bhi person will not be uncomfortable in this car. Let me show you all the headroom. So this is my headroom. I'm sitting relaxed. If I sit a little bit upright, मेरा हेडरूम थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो रहा है, तो आई थिंक स्लाइटली टॉलर पीपल माइट फेस अ लिटिल बिट डिफिकल्टी इफ दे आर सिटिंग अपराइट, बट इफ यू आर सिटिंग रिलैक्स, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द 90% ऑफ द क्राउड, 90% ऑफ द पैसेंजर्स एट द रेयर विल सिट रिलैक्स्ड, कोई ऊपर सीधा होकर नहीं बैठेगा. आई थिंक इट इज sufficient enough, guys. You can let me know your thoughts in the comments. What do you guys think of the headroom of the all-new MG ZS EV 100-year anniversary Evergreen Edition? So, guys, this was my video of the all-new MG ZS EV Evergreen Edition, guys. Basically, when it comes to the competition, we've got the BYD Atto 3, but that is slightly more expensive compared to this particular car. And I think in this particular segment, there is no competition for the MG ZS EV. So if you're looking at a price range of 25 lakhs to 26 lakhs, I think MG ZS EV, and if you're looking for an EV, of course, I think this car should be considered. And definitely take a test drive and find it out for yourself as to how you feel. It definitely drives well. It's fast. The range is also decent. Claim range is 461, but of course, when it comes to real life range, it will be there will be a drop, of course, guys, because come on, we have to be realistic here. But still, come here, check it out, and understand it for yourself as well, and take a call accordingly. Overall, my opinion, I do like the car myself. It looks good, it feels good from the inside as well. Overall, the offerings are also pretty good. And you can let me know your thoughts, guys, in the comments. What do you think of the MG ZS EV Evergreen Edition? Or do you like the competitors of this particular car? If you like any other electric car, if you're a fan of an EV car, do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for joining me in this video, Turbo Revers. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and press that bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Take care.